your brain ever feel like it's shaking? Like a shopping cart with a wobbly wheel? Zip, zap, zip, zap. Mine is doing that right now. It's loud in here. Do you ever feel that way? Sprout Master, you and your grown-up get ready to press your palms together like a sandwich. Squeeze it tight until the jelly starts to leak out. Use all your strength. Hold it. Hold it. Now don't let go. Your hands are glued together now. They're a heavy, solid hammer. Can you feel how strong the hammer is? Keep them glued and swing your hammer with me. Swing left, clunk. Swing right, clunk. Use the table or your floor slow, like a big heavy clock ticking in slow motion. Every time your hammer hits, it's tightening a bolt on the wobbly wheel. We're fixing the machine. Left, right. Now stop. Rest your forehead right down on your hands or on the table. Let your head be heavy. It's okay to be heavy. Feel the table holding you up. You don't have to run anymore. The wheel is steady. Just be. There it is. I feel smoother now. Is the zip-zap finally gone for you? I'm much steadier now. We fixed the wobble just by giving our brains a steady beat to follow. We did that. Good job, Sprout Master. See you on the next adventure.